Now to the latest on the Gujar agitation in Rajasthan. Top MHA sources have told India today that the government is dispatching 18 companies of the BSF to evacuate the rail tracks taken over by Gujars for protest. 12 companies of the BSF have already been deployed in Rajasthan's Bharatpur district where these protests are taking place. Let's get a word from our Deputy Editor Atir Khan, who's with us on the phone line. Atir, the centre now sending help for the state. This is, of course, after the Rajasthan High Court intervened, asking why the state government wasn't making any arrests.
Well, that's right. You see, all precautions are being taken that the High Court's directions are implemented, but at the same time, the government is still trying last minute to have talks with Gujar leaders, and our sources are telling us that Colonel Besra is also there in Rajasthan, in Jaipur at the moment, and there is a possibility that the talks will start afresh. But the fear is if these talks fail, then there is a real crisis. The government has already mobilized forces which will converge towards the affected area, the rail route which has been disrupted, and the centre is also providing support because all the rail route has been badly affected. And, the support has been sought from centre as well.
Absolutely. Now, Atir, stay on with us. The Rajasthan High Court has come down hard on the state's role in the Gujar agitation. The state DGP and the Chief Secretary who appeared in court today were pulled up by the judge for not arresting the protesters despite a case of sedition being registered against them. The court was particularly upset about the main Delhi-Mumbai rail route being blocked by agitators. The officials have been asked to submit an affidavit by 8 a.m. tomorrow. The two sides, meanwhile, are meeting again today at 5 p.m. with the chief agitator Kirori Singh Bhansla in Jaipur today. The railway, meanwhile, has said that it has been suffering losses worth 100 crores due to the ongoing agitation, which has led to cancellation of as many as 326 trains.
हमारा लास्ट मोमेंट तक ये प्रयत्न होगा कि समझाइश के आधार पर ये सब लोग ट्रैक खाली कर लें. इसके बाद भी कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिला तो फिर हम शाम को बैठ करके विचार करेंगे कि भाई हमको आगे की क्या कार्रवाई करनी है.
All right, so what's happening basically is that the Rajasthan High Court has pulled up the state government asking why no action has been taken against the agitators in spite of sedition charges being leveled against them. On the other hand, we're also seeing that talks are still underway. The railways too complaining that it has suffered serious losses because of this agitation, which is now entering its 8th day today. Atir Khan, our deputy editor, is with us on the phone line. Atir, a fresh round of talks between Gujar agitators and the state government expected this evening.
Well, that's right. In about an hour's time from now, we know that Colonel Besra will be reaching the secretariat, and there is a possibility of talks. You see, the problem with the government is that it cannot initiate action immediately because it's a very sensitive issue. It's a highly emotive issue for the entire Gujar community in Rajasthan, and they are squatting on the railway tracks at the moment. If any force is used, then it could trigger a lot of protests and heated, violent agitation throughout the state. So government is trying to avert that situation and is, constantly trying to negotiate with the leaders that some solution is arrived at. But as of now, it seems distant, and also the deadline for the High Court is reaching. The High Court has asked the Rajasthan government to give an affidavit by 8 a.m. tomorrow as to what efforts it has made to initiate action to clear the railway tracks and action against the leaders who are in for a contempt of court.
Atir, thanks so much for those details. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.
अदालत ने इस मामले में राज्य की कानून व्यवस्था की जो स्थिति है, जो चरमराई हुई है, उस पर दोनों आला अधिकारियों को कड़ी फटकार लगाई. साथ ही ये कहा कि अब तक कानून व्यवस्था बनाने के लिए क्या कदम उठाए राज्य सरकार ने, उस बारे में बतावें. लोग परेशान हैं, सड़कें जाम है, रेलवे ट्रैक जाम है, आम जन को कितनी परेशानी हो रही है, उस बारे में क्या किया. अदालत ने इस दौरान ये भी कहा कि आप आला अधिकारियों को ये फटकार लगाते हुए कहा कि सचिवालय में बैठे बैठे बस समीक्षा कर रहे हैं, आप फील्ड में जाके काम क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं.